Hey, Southern Cruisers here. We're going to do a quick tour of our hotel room. We're staying at the Hilton Garden Inn on Orange Beach. Y'all stay tuned and I'll show you around the whole place. This is the view from our balcony. See y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, Southern Cruisers here. If you don't already follow our channel, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. We're staying at the Hilton Garden Inn in Orange Beach, Alabama this weekend. And I'm going to show you around. We've stayed here before, but it's been a few years. It's a nice older Hilton Garden Inn right on the beach. Like I said, in Orange Beach, Alabama. Real close to Gulf Shores, just on the edge of what's considered Orange Beach proper. It's right next to the state park here. Let's go inside and see what we see. We got a really good room rate. I think it was $150 a night. Of course, it's November, but this place is packed. There's sports teams staying here. That's why we're here. We're here for a soccer tournament. So, oh, here's all the people that are staying here this weekend. Sports teams, family reunion, Mississippi Baptist Convention Board. Lots of people staying here this weekend. We ate breakfast this morning. I'll try to get some video tomorrow of the breakfast. It was really good. But they do have breakfast, 6 to 10, hot buffet and cook to order. They have a little bar area over here. This is your little area where you sit and eat. I'll see if I can get the drink menu on. Got some specialty drinks. Legless Pirate, that looks interesting. Sandy Cheeks, okay. Definitely got some beach type drinks. Got a little store, a little sundry store here with stuff that you need when you're staying at the beach. All kinds of goodies. Hi. Got a little computer area. Got your flags for beach safe stuff. Oh, this is one thing that you might want to be aware of if you're coming anytime soon. Excuse me, guys. I've stayed here before. They had a really nice pool. This is how you get to the pool, but I want to show you what the pool looks like now. Spoiler alert, there is no pool. They have dug it up and they're redoing it. So it was actually pretty nice before, but they're completely renovating this pool area. So hopefully when we return, we'll have something good to show you. But maybe that's why we got such a good room rate too. $150 a day, even in November. With all these tournaments that are going on, it's pretty good deal. We're here for a soccer tournament. Obviously, we're not the only ones. Oh, this is where beach access is. So this is how you get to the beach. I'm gonna pause it for a little bit and then we'll show you the whole deal. Okay, this is another view of where the pool area was. And obviously I'm not going to the beach that way. We are going to the beach in a little while, so I'll shoot a little different video of that. This is the parking area slash soccer team staging area. We're under double red flags. We'll head out there in a little bit. Maybe next I'll be able to show you our room. Oh, I know what I want to show you. There's 2 condos next door to where we're staying. We've stayed in the one that I'm currently looking at before. And they're pretty nice, actually. On the other side of those condos, they have balconies. And both of them are actually, on each side, are actually pretty much identical. I'll show you the other one from our balcony. Okay, so temporarily, this is how you get to beach access. You got to take this little walking pad because the normal route is closed off. So while they're redoing the pool. And so we're walking out to the beach in November, We're not gonna swim, it's double red flags. Gonna hang out, do a little walking around, take some pictures. This is, it'll be a quick trip to the beach. That's the way we came. Like I said, all this is temporary. When they finish their construction of their new pool area, this may be closed off, I imagine. I'm gonna leave my shoes here. What about y'all? Looks like a good shoe spot. Right up here in the oats. Beautiful sand. Like I said, we're in Orange Beach. Darling daughter wants to take some pictures. This is the back side of the Hilton Garden Inn.
What about?
This is our beach access area. If you go straight that way, a couple miles, you'll end up at the Floribama. If you go straight that way, not very far, you'll end up at the state park in Gulf Shores. All right, see ya in a minute. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. We do hotel reviews, a lot of information on cruises, also barbecue, and we have bourbon videos. All right, see y'all in a minute. Okay, this is our room. This is room 613 at the Hilton Garden Inn. I'll do a quick tour. This is the bathroom. Everybody's got these little bottles now. This hotel's kind of a dated hotel for Hilton Garden Inns. Most of the ones that we stay in are newer, it seems like. But I know this one's been here for at least 25 years. Got a Keurig in the room. You have a refrigerator, which we used. Make sure we got everything. Looks good. Microwave. I will say they had good outlets. This little lamp has a USB and a 110 outlet. Got your full-length mirror here if you need one. TV, ice bucket, ottoman. Air conditioner works really good. This is the east side of the hotel. So you have these little balconies that look basically at another condo. You can see the beach if you kind of poke your head out a little bit. You can see the beach, you can see the ocean. Now they do have balcony rooms that are on the Gulf. I'm sure those are more. Like I said earlier, we got a good deal on this. I believe it was $158 a night, which is really good for on the beach in Orange Beach. Had a good stay. Everybody that works here was super nice, super helpful. My daughter lost her Kendra Scott bracelet and somebody turned it in and they got it back to her, which was really cool. I would recommend staying here if you get a good deal, as long as you don't need a swimming pool. Hey, we're Southern Cruisers. We do hotel reviews, restaurant reviews. We do a lot of stuff about cruising. We do some barbecue videos. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, if you haven't already. And if you really want to see our videos, hit that bell so you get notified when we post new videos. Y'all have a great day. Bye.